The magma occasionally tries to come out the surface through the cracks and the weak portion. So this the rock which is formed by cooling of magma, and this is known as the igneous rocks. The different type of igneous rocks like plutonic rocks, hyperpasal rocks, and volcanic rocks. The second one is sediment rocks. These rocks are formed by the deposition of products of weathering on the pre-existing rocks. All the products of weatherings are ultimately carried away from their place of origin by the agents like transport, such as the agents like frost, rain, wind, flowing water, etc. The third one is metamorphic rocks. These rocks are formed due to the change in the character of pre-existing rocks. The igneous as well as the sedimentary rocks, this combination rocks which change in their character when they are subjected to great heat and pressure. The process of change is known as the metamorphism. The second classification is physical classification. In that, based on these rocks are further classified as three categories: stratified rocks, unstratified rocks, and foliated rocks. So what do you mean by stratified rocks? These rocks are having layered structures. They processes planes of stratified or the cleavage. They can be easily split along these planes. Sandstones, limestones, slate, etc. are the best example for these stratified rocks. The second one is unstratified rocks. These rocks are not stratified. The process crystalline and compact grains. They cannot be split in the thin slab. The best example is granite or trap or the marble are the best example for these unstratified rocks. So that is the difference between the stratified and the unstratified rocks. The third one is the foliated rocks. These rocks have a tendency to split along the definite direction only. The direction need not be a parallel to each other in case of the stratified rocks, and the structure is very common in case of the metamorphic rocks. The third category of the classification is chemical classification. On Again, it is further divided into three categories on the basis of their chemical compositions. Generally, one is siliceous rocks, the argaceous rocks, and the calcareous rocks. The third one is, so what is that siliceous rocks? They are the main content of these rocks. The silica is the main part. They are the hard and durable, and the best example for these siliceous rocks are granite, trap, sandstones, etc. The second one is the argaceous rocks. The constituents of these rocks are the clay, because the stones are the hard and durable, but they are a little bit brittle as well. They cannot be withstand shock, or the best example for this type of rocks are the slate or laterite. The third one is the calcareous rocks. The constituent of these rocks is a calcium carbonate, like the limestone, calcareous rocks, the sedimentary origin, one of the type. While the marble is calcareous rocks of metamorphic organism.